Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your securities with Robinhood, complete guide step by step clearly. To protect your securities with Robinhood, log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the account settings by tapping on the profile icon in the top right corner. Select the settings option from the menu. Look for the security section within the settings. Enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. Follow the prompts to set up this feature using your preferred method, such as SMS or an authenticator app. After securing your account, review your investment strategies. Consider diversifying your portfolio to spread out risk. Use Robinhood's tools to set up alerts for stock price changes or significant market events. Take time to monitor your investments regularly. Next, ensure that your email and phone number on file are up to date for account recovery options. If you suspect any suspicious activity, change your password immediately. Consider using the cash management feature to earn interest on uninvested funds. Make sure to familiarize yourself with Robinhood's customer support options. If needed, reach out to support for any questions or concerns regarding account security. Finally, stay informed about market trends and keep learning about investment strategies to make informed decisions. By following these steps, you'll be better equipped to safeguard your securities on Robinhood. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.